Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain an example on user datagram protocol. The example is a client uses UDP to send data to a server. The data length is 16 bytes. Calculate the efficiency of this transmission at the UDP level. Now to solve this example, you need to understand the UDP user datagram structure and the UDP header structure. The UDP header is of fixed 8 bytes and the data is of variable size. The maximum length of the UDP user datagram is 65535 bytes and the minimum length of UDP datagram is 8 bytes because it is mandatory to carry the header in the UDP datagram, because without addresses and the control information the communication cannot be established. So header part is mandatory, it is of fixed 8 bytes. So minimum size of the UDP user datagram is 8 bytes and maximum size of UDP user datagram is 65535 bytes. Now the data part can have 65535 minus 8 bytes at the max. Now the UDP header carries the addressing information, source port numbers, destination port numbers, and the control information like checksum, and it also carries the it also specifies the total length of the UDP user datagram, which is the length of the header plus the data. Now efficiency of transmission at the UDP level is the ratio of actual data bytes to the total bytes carried in the datagram. Actually the efficiency is always output to the input. Now here output is the actual data bytes transmitted and the input is the total bytes carried in the datagram. Here the total bytes includes the bytes in the header and the bytes carried in the data part. Therefore, the efficiency for this example becomes 16 bytes which are actually transmitted divided by 8 bytes of header plus 16 bytes of data, and therefore efficiency is equal to 16 divided by 24 and it is equal to 66.67%. Now here the efficiency is not 100% because in this transmission the UDP header carries 8 bytes, which is not the useful information. 8 bytes of header carries the addresses and the control information. Actual information is not carried in the header part. Actual information carried is only the 16 bytes, and 8 bytes acts as an overhead to the actual amount of information which is transmitted, and that's why the efficiency for this transmission at UDP level is 66.67%. It is not 100%. Now this completes the example. Thank you.